Hey guys, Nevada Cario here. So, looks like I got this message yesterday, which has to do with this, and I'm not gonna say the word, the beer flu testing. Ha ha ha. So, the EAS, so they're using the EAS just so they can, urge you to register for free for this whole beer flu thing. Yeah. Free testing. Lol. Really? The EAS using the emergency alert system for this. Are you kidding me? I get an EAS for this? Are you kidding me? I'd rather get an EAS for weather emergencies or ambers. Are you kidding me? But we get it for this? Are you kidding me? We already see through this whole thing, and my mom is like, I live with my parents and they're like, "Go, oh, let's go cuz there's free testing." Are you kidding me, man? What world are we living in? Jeez. Nothing in this world will ever change, until people wake up, in this country. At least there are more people waking up in Germany, in Belgium. Jesus. And we get this on this Clark County Office of Emergency Management. Jeez. From this, we give up our individual rights for this. Are you kidding me? So then we can get an EAS through that. Anyways, hope you guys have a good day. Don't even ask me what I'm gonna do because from this whole thing, I can't do nothing. When you're with parents that are so into this, yeah, into this, you think it's easy to argue with your parents when you're living them and they have control over you? It's just difficult. I'm sorry. I can't do nothing. If I were on my own, I would have told you what I could do. But right now, I just can't. I can't. I can't sacrifice anything just yet. So I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Peace out. Hate taking videos like this in portrait or whatever you spell it. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace. Arigato. Gracias.